Welcome, pilot. Your mission today? Upgrade your WordPress site's search module to a next-gen content discovery system powered by Searchcraft. Initiate your flight plan at searchcraft.io. Sign up for a Searchcraft Cloud account with your email and password. Before we proceed, Zed, your trusty co-pilot, needs to verify your comms. Once your transmission is confirmed, proceed to the Vektron command dashboard. Establish your crew's organization and select your plan. Launchpad is free. No credits required for liftoff. Next, create your application. Use applications to organize how you deploy search. Per site, per environment, your call. Within your application, create an index. This is where your WordPress data will live. Name it carefully. Index names are immutable. Now, choose WordPress as your ingestion source. The index will be provisioned and launched into the Searchcraft universe. Keep this configuration modal open. You'll need these credentials in a moment. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins. Search for Searchcraft. Install. Activate. Enter the following from your Searchcraft dashboard. Endpoint URL. Index ID. Ingest key. Read key. Paste each into the plugin's configuration. Choose which content types to index. Only select what your audience is likely to search for. Click Save. Searchcraft's indexing engine now initiates data transfer. To confirm it worked, check the Index Management tab in WordPress. Document count will appear here. Back in Vektron, enter your index and confirm the document count matches. That's your green light. Your content is now live within the Searchcraft cosmos. Customize your search experience, fine-tune relevance, and unlock insights. You've just turned on-site search into a true engagement strategy. Mission accomplished.
Search is no longer a back-end burden. It's your next growth engine. Build faster, spend less, ship more. Join the mission. Redefine discovery with Searchcraft.